Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Faith and Fitness. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to change your shipping address on Shein app. So let's get started. At first, let's get into the Shein app. You can get into it through mobile app or the website as well. After that, make sure you log into it. Now on the bottom right corner, we can see this new button. So let's tap on this. Now on the top right corner, here's this here icon or the shipping icon, so let's tap on this, and here's an option for address book, so let's tap on this. Now we can see no address is selected yet, so simply tap on this plus sign or add a shipping address. Now we need to enter our location, our first name, last name, all of our details including phone number and city, our state or province, zip code, and our address details. After we are done filling all of the information here, we can simply tap on save. Once you are done with this, our shipping address will finally be changed. So this is all we can do to change or add shipping address on Shein app. So this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.